Hi there, my name is Leon Jackson. I'm a service technician in the Fire and Security Group here at Spartan Controls. In this video, we'll demonstrate the calibration procedure for the Detector's PointWatch gas detector, also known as the Eclipse, through the use of the Detector's UD10 universal display. Please ensure you contact your operations room prior to doing this procedure, as you wouldn't want to cause any unexpected shutdowns. For the purpose of expediency, I've taken the liberty of wiring the devices and powering them up. Power is supplied to the UD10, which in turn powers the detector and the 4 to 20 milliamp loop. There are various configurations for wiring, and they can all be found in the various manuals. For this calibration, there are some tools that are required. A magnet, as you see here, a zero gas, and your calibration gas. For the purpose of this calibration, I'll be using a 50% of LAL of methane calibration gas. Now, zero gas is very important when doing these calibrations. These detectors are very sensitive and can pick up the slightest traces of LAL. Using the zero gas will ensure you have an absolute zero state at the detector during the calibration procedure. If you plan to use atmospheric conditions at zero gas, this could cause unwanted drifting and be troublesome to your control room. Prior to doing the calibration, it's recommended by the manufacturer that the device has been powered up and running for at least a couple of hours. This ensures the device gets up to operating temperature and gets accustomed to its new environment. As you can see here, once the device is powered up and has gone through its warm-up stage, a green LED appears. This LED will change state depending on the status of the device. Green is normal, yellow or amber would indicate a fault, and red will indicate an alarm condition. To perform the calibration of this detector, I will use the UD10. Using the magnet, you can scroll through the menu of the UD10. The menu of the UD10 is initiated by placing the magnet in this position. Once you enter the menu, you can scroll down to the menu item that says Device Cal and enter. Again, scroll down to the calibration key, enter again, and you'll get a field that says execute or abort. So we can execute the calibration by keying the execute. And as you can see, the LED changes to a solid red, and the UD10 asks us to apply our zero gas. And after a few seconds, the LED will change to a flashing red, and the message on the UD10 will say, apply calibration gas. So I've applied the methane gas, and it's now going through its span calibration. While it's doing that, you can see the UD10 numbers have gone up to close to the 50% calibration area. And while the device is going through its span calibration, I'd like to take a minute and talk about the orientation of the detector. As you see here, this is the correct orientation as per the manufacturer. And there are a couple of reasons for that. First off, you increase your detection space. If you had it mounted vertically, your detection space would be very narrow. Also, vertically, the detection area works as a trap for dust, dirt, and debris, which can cause a fault and be troublesome to your control room. After a while, you see the LED has gone off, and the UD10 has asked you to remove your calibration gas. This is the indication that the detector has gone through its span calibration. A lot of times it's easier to add the zero gas again and purge the detector. This gets it quickly back to its normal state. And after a few seconds, you see the LED will turn back to a green color. It's back into its normal state, and your calibration is done of this device. Once your calibration is complete, it's important to test your device both locally and against your plant's shutdown keys. To complete your procedure, it's important to communicate with your control rooms to ensure all bypasses have been removed, as your device is good to go into service now. Once again, my name is Leon Jackson at the Fire and Security Group here at Spartan Controls. If you'd like any more information on these devices, please visit our website at www.spartancontrols.com. Thanks for watching this video.